My people, they say that Olori Ashley have done another secret revealed. You see these people, they no go kpai Kabiyesi o. They no go kpai Kabiyesi. I know that God who brought Kabiyesi in that seat will not allow anything to happen to him. No matter what these people do, no matter their plans against Queen Naomi and whatever, God is going to continue to protect Kabiyesi and he will reign in that seat. So guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I greet you according to your time and according to the time you are seeing this video. How are you doing? I hope you are good. We are still on the gist from the palace of Ooni of Ife. My people, this one will they happen now, you are going to be shocked. Seriously. You can't imagine that such a thing will happen. Okay, we heard the other time that there's this pastor they called Pastor Ademeju. According to what we heard, they say that the pastor resides from Osun State. Short, he's a Yoruba man. Because when this thing started happening, people were like, which Yoruba man will not know that you don't even need to eye king's wife. Talk more of going after your king's wife, even though he is not your direct king. Because Kabiyesi is a first class king, like Onirisha. I know that his own kingship no be small thing. It's not like he's the superior, the senior among all others. Yes. So right now, people were like, who is this man, Yoruba man, that doesn't know that going after a married woman, talk more of king's wife, is a sacrilege, is abomination. What did that person eat? As in, are you sure that the person drank, sucked the mother's breast very well? My people, now we listen and hear what they said happened. You see that Pastor Ademeju, that the Pastor Ademeju is, it is Olori Ashley that plotted him in the life of Queen Naomi. That this Ademeju used to be a pastor in where is that place they called? Where Olori Ashley went to do, is it her service or what? I've forgotten the name of that place. That it was from that place that Olori Ashley saw this man, and then she was going to his church. So from going to his church, they became friends. And after some times, friends now, when you travel to a particular place, you meet different people. Maybe when you go back from where you come from, the friendship might not be as strong as it should be, or it was before. So, but you guys are already friends. If you are type that know how to maintain friends, you can be calling on interval, how are you doing? I hope you are good, this and that. But if you're not the type that can maintain friends like me, sometimes I find it difficult to maintain friends. So you'll be like, don't want anything to disturb me. You just forget about that person. If the person call you today, call you tomorrow, you're not calling back, he will just forget about you. So guys, they say that after these two met and they actually went away, they later met again in Lagos. In that Lagos, they say that it was in a bar where Ashley went to eat, a bit to take something, maybe to take drink, that he met this man again. And when he met the man, it happened that it was the time that things were not moving well. The time that Kabiyesi and Queen Naomi was not in good time. By then, Queen Naomi have left the palace. You see? The person that is revealing none of this thing is Olori Ashley's ex-husband. He was the one that told Kabiyesi this thing. So, it was then, because Olori Ashley doesn't want Queen Naomi to come back again in the palace. She doesn't want Queen Naomi to cross the palace again. All she wants is that, hey, Queen Naomi, thank God, oh, you just left Kabiyesi. Abeg, start, be going. Don't even try to come back, so that Kabiyesi will be enough for us, enough for me, because you know that each of them dragged Ooni of Ife all to herself. Yes. Okay, now, they say that when they met again, that place in Lagos, they said that she now called Pastor Ademeju, and as in short, she was the brain behind Ademeju coming to Queen Naomi. And you know that Queen Naomi is a beautiful woman. It might be that they plan it so that Ademeju will just come and do gara, so that Kabiyesi will think that Queen Naomi have started having affairs and all of that. Maybe Kabiyesi will just forget about Queen Naomi. They don't know that what the Lord have joined together, that no man should put asunder. That the joining of together of Queen Naomi and Kabiyesi, that no man can be able to separate it. They thought that it's going to be easy for them to separate. So guys, they said that it was Ashley who planted Ademeju in the life of Queen Naomi. Even Queen Naomi herself did not know. Even Queen Naomi did not know. It was her ex-husband that said it. That Ademeju happened to be a cousin to his friend. The ex was saying that Ademeju happened to be a cousin to his friend, and Ademeju is a pastor. And then Ashley was attending his church, and it was from there that Ashley was able to plan that thing. Maybe the man wanted to act as it was planned. Now, maybe now, I don't know whether he was paid, but if truly he is a pastor and acted like that, that means his own pastor is not the original one. If a woman can push you to go and start playing game with another man's wife, not just another man's wife, a king's wife, and you accepted to do it, that means that pastor of a thing is not correct. It's not correct. I don't think that is a good pastor, if you ask me, if this is true. But the thing is that what we're hearing is that it was Olori Ashley who masterminded that thing, that Ademeju of a thing, and the proposal and the short. Queen Naomi being a friend to Ademeju, it was Ashley who pushed Ademeju to go after Queen Naomi. Maybe she was planning on something, but God is a master planner. God did not allow that thing that she was planning to happen, because she might know, Ashley might have something special. She might have something that she's planning to know if it will happen, but God big passer, so the thing wey she dey plan no work again. So guys, when I heard this one, I was like, this woman, this Ashley, forget it. Nothing is hidden under this planet. It might waste time, but one day, breeze go blow. Human being here, she go just wow, and everybody will see it. Anyway, guys, don't forget that all of these are alleged information. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.